Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. Today, first of all, we want to start out by thanking God for giving us another lovely day and good health. And I also appreciate your like, your comment, and subscription. Today we're going to be making pollo con achiote. So this dish is going to be really, really good. Let's go! Booyah! We're gonna go through the ingredients. I got 4 drumsticks, 4 thighs, with bones, of course, and 4 without, because the one without, we're gonna chop it up, and my 2 little ones don't really care for the bones, you know, so we're gonna chop it up and clean it up, and let's go. Let me show you guys the ingredients. Mustard, pepper, salt, Worcestershire, achiote, this is the main thing right here, achiote, vinegar, then we got green beans, potatoes, onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and we're gonna add some water, and I'll show you guys how to mix it up. And then of course I gotta have my little, you know, Pico De Gallo salad, you know, it's gonna be excellent. So we got avocados, tomatoes, red onion, 1 lime, and garlic, and Habanero. So come on, let's get the party started. Let's go. So now we're gonna do the ingredients. So there's already a cup of water in there, and here's a 2nd cup in there. Now we're gonna add some vinegar. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. Perfect. We're gonna add some pepper. Bam. We're gonna add some mustard. 1, 2, and 3. That should be good enough. Some salt, and some Worcestershire. This gives a really good flavor. Vegan parents, Worcestershire. I say about that much. That's perfect. Now this is the main one, achiote. That should be good enough right here. So now we're gonna just throw it in there, put it in there, and then just play with it, you know, and let it dissolve everywhere. No worries, my hands are clean, so if you guys worry about that. So we're going to turn the fire on to like number 7. Add some of the tomatoes and onions that I chopped. Good stuff right here. Just throw it all in there. Look how beautiful that looks. We're going to add the chicken now. That's the one with bones. Here's a boneless, chopped up already, drumstick. There we go. Look how delicious that looks. Nice. Ooh-wee. It's always my little secret. Beer. So you're gonna put about a quarter of it. And beer always adds a really good flavor to it. There we go. You do that, then you cover it up. Bada bing, bada boom. Now that the chickens are all in there, the ingredients: bell pepper, onions, garlic, achiote, vinegar, mustard, Worcestershire, pepper, salt. What we're going to do, we're going to cover it up at, put it at about number 7 for about close to an hour. You know, I would say from 45 minutes to an hour, you know, so cover it up, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna make Pico De Gallo. Delicious. So it's got, this should be good enough for 3 people. 2 avocados, 3 tomatoes, 1 red onions, 1 lime, don't forget 1 fresh garlic, and half of a habanero. Let's go, come on. So now we're going to peel the potatoes, and also you gotta I'm going to add green beans in it too, so just make sure you cut one of the ends of the green beans. So there we go. Alright guys, potato, man, you can't go wrong with potatoes. My girls are potato heads. They love them, I'll tell you that right now. So yeah, it's good stuff. And now we're gonna cut the end of the green beans and all that. Put it all in there in about 25 minutes, 20 minutes. There we go. And that's it. Alright guys, now we're gonna add on the green beans and potatoes. And let it sit there for another probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes at the most, and make sure it gets everywhere. Ooh, look at that. Those little pieces for my 2 little ones. Nice. Look at that drumstick. Wow. Delicioso. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna make my famous rice. It'll be Nicaraguan style with the nice olive oil, extra virgin. The pan was already warming up, so that oil should be okay, should be good. And we're gonna put 1 cup of rice, as always. Start around for, you know, for like a couple minutes, 3 minutes the most. You don't want your rice to, you know, burn or get too golden. So this baby is gonna come out awesome. Just remember, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and salt. Then I'll show you the end of it. It's a little golden, or it gets like a lighter white color to it. So that's ready to go. We're gonna pour 2 cups of water. And salt. Perfect. The water's barely covering the rice, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it down for number 7 or 8 to number 2 on low. Cover it up and give it about 15 to 20 minutes. Now here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna surprise you guys. I'm gonna make my famous Michelada. Booyah! Make his night. Let's go. We're gonna add on chamoy. That's gonna go around the rim. I already cut a whole lime. I love to use lime for everything. Look at that baby out. Beautiful. Now, what we're going to do is I like to squeeze the whole lime in there, so and about a quarter of Clamato, about that much. Then we're going to add on Modelo, and instead of Tapatio or Cholula, we're going to add on this about 3 little pieces of Serrano. Now you let it sit in there, let it catch a little spicy flavor, and then I'm going to add on some celery salt in a little bit. This is the celery salt. I'm going to add some to it. Gotta put it where you can taste it, you know. Ooh-wee, check that baby out. Here we go. Salud. With a little Serrano in it. Delicious. Booyah! Alright guys, this is the best part right here. Check this baby out. Check that baby out. Potatoes. Green beans. Ooh, look at that rice. Delicious. Delicioso. That should be good enough for me. And now you can put the juice, the broth on top of the rice. Now let's get my Pico De Gallo. That should be it. Let's try it out.
Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? What's the only fantasy? Where are you now? Are you all imaginary?
Get some of that chicken, green beans, onion and rice. Amazing. Excellent. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, like, and even make a comment. You know, if you guys need me to do something, make a favorite dish for you guys, please let me know. Cheers with my Michelada. Salud.